Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Bailey Lipschultz. Bailey, what are you looking at?
Yeah, some of the best performing stocks in the S&P 500 this morning are in the airline space. This comes after Delta Air, ticker DAL, reported earnings that beat expectations and kind of talked up guidance for fourth quarter and some of the strength they expect to continue to see into 2026. So Delta Air shares up about 5.5%. Also keeping an eye, as I mentioned, United Airlines, up close to 4%, Alaska Air trading higher. So this comes after management a bit more optimistic, not only on business demand, but broader travel spending, saying that they expect to see potentially a record fourth quarter for the company, people traveling for holidays, but also a thing to keep in mind, as Bloomberg had reported earlier this morning, we're starting to see some of those cracks showing up with the government shutdown, what that means for the FAA and how that could impact it. So management was asked about that, basically saying that, if this is extended, that could impact fourth quarter demand. But for now, they're not really seeing that show up.
Absolutely. All right. So Delta, a clear winner here. You're also keeping an eye on the pharma space, and there's some M&A.
Yeah, M&A, Novo Nordisk acquiring Akero Therapeutics. So Novo ADR's ticker NVO down about 1%, and Akero Therapeutics up more than 16%, trading above $54. So this is a $4.7 billion deal that could be bumped up if the company's drug is successful. So not only is there a $54 cash component, there's also a contingent value, right? Basically, Novo Nordisk trying to build out its weight loss opportunities. Akero is not in the weight loss space, but treating the deadly liver disease known as MASH, not the TV show. So this is something that could build out their portfolio. Again, looking through some of the quick analyst reactions, basically saying Novo has a lot of wood to chop to try to get back to where it was trading before. Management talking up this acquisition, saying that they want to be able to treat not only the weight loss space, but also other issues related to the liver, fatty liver as well.
Yeah, I'm looking at this, and apparently MASH is one of the most prevalent obesity-related comorbidities. It's rounding out its portfolio in a very interesting, holistic way.
It all fits into that argument, and really this does come after Novo's drug that they were developing in the space failed. So this is kind of trying to replace that. And as we see, again, not only are some of the weight loss shots, Wegovy, Ozempic being pretty successful, there is uncertainty, again, with potential pills, and also once those things lose their patents. So trying to stay ahead of the game and trying to build it out. This, again, according to analyst expectations, could be billions upon billions of dollars of potential revenue. So a big purchase for Novo Nordisk, but again, just a small kind of step in the direction for the company.
All right, one more real quick.
Yeah, keep an eye on MP Materials, ticker MP, up about 5%, seeing a rally across U.S.-listed rare earth and critical mineral stocks. This comes after reports that China is going to apply a default ban on defense sector exports of those materials. So investors piling into companies that are tied to the U.S. government, trying to secure some of those non-China supply chains for rare earths.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.